y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Josiah Jaslani. It's been a while. I actually recorded a video and then I was like, bro, I do not want to edit this. I do not like it. So I just didn't even I just didn't. But it's currently May 8th and it's 10:30 in the morning and I'm about to go run a couple errands. And I just want to vlog it a little bit because why not? I might add a couple other things in the vlog too. We gonna see how they go, but as of right now, I'm finna run some errands. Later on, I'm getting my hair done. Y'all know what it means when this hat on my head. This is the outfit of the day, y'all. Just this Lululemon set. This is my ponytail. It look pretty good, don't it? I know. Hair is growing, boo. But yeah, I'm about to head out the door, so I'm gonna be back with y'all when I'm in the car, and I'm gonna tell y'all where we going. But yeah. Alright, we made it to Old Navy, and y'all, honestly, I'm gonna just say this now. I'm coming here for tank tops. Tank tops for birthday bash, because me and my sister and my friend are all going to birthday bash, and I'm not sure if y'all know what birthday bash is, but this year for birthday bash, it's like pretty much all the old Atlanta rappers. So we're deciding that we want to dress like in a Freaknik theme. So we need tank tops so we can get them sprayed, airbrush, whatever. So that's why we're coming here. Excuse me. And we made it inside. Yeah, where am I gonna find tank tops at? Maybe in the kids area. This is the scenery so far. Let's find tank tops. Tank tops, tank tops, tank tops. Oh, let's look in the mirror. Y'all, my pants is kind of hot watered up. But whatever. I'm gonna be back when I find some tank tops because I know it's pretty loud. And I don't see no tank tops. But really, I just got in here. I think I might buy my little niece some clothes for her birthday. Cause I feel like that would be a good idea. Especially at Old Navy, they got good clothes. Yeah, I need to get back on here when I find some tank tops because I am literally going all around the world. So, hold on. Alright, y'all, we found some tank tops. Y'all, they're seamless. Now I'm calling my sister to see if she likes them. Okay. They're seamless tank tops.
You don't have good service, sweetie.
Okay. I can't really do anything about that. Hold on, let me try to see if I can.
What store are you in?
Oh, Navy. Okay, hold on. I'm logging into their Wi-Fi.
You could get me one. No, it's fine. You don't have to log in. You could get me one. I'll just keep it whatever if it don't work.
Okay, it's like seamless. So you know tank tops that usually have the lines?
Yeah, they don't have any of those?
Yeah, they don't have the ones with like the lines in them. They have like a regular.
You asked them?
Yeah, she said this is all they have. I'll send a picture. Maybe
I
that'll
don't trust her.
Ooh, okay.
Because I never know. I just went out as I walked in.
Hi. Yeah.
So I didn't want to make like.
Well, yeah, I'm gonna look into why they did that, but you're good.
Sorry if I just got something.
No, you're good.
You use that camera to vlog?
But yeah, you got
both.
more than
Okay.
Yeah, it is.
It's gonna be $14.84.
All right.
Hi, friends. We've got big news to share. Our new loyalty program, Encore, serves up more rewards than ever.
Thank you. You too. I'm going over here to girls. I don't know if y'all can see the sign, but I can. That says girls. And it looked like some stuff already. Let's see. Okay. Like, I want like a cute outfit for her. We're looking for size 4s. See, like, period. But I'm not gonna get that though. Okay, they don't have a lot of stuff actually. Okay, this is a 4T. But it's just, oh, it's a set, y'all. Oh, we getting this. Let's see. Yeah, we're getting this. Y'all see that? That is cute. Period. We finna get this too. This is cute. This is a 4T as well. And it's multiple. Which one do we like? I like the yellow more. And it come with a little cute hair clip. That's like so tea. I like, see, this is where, when I have kids, this is where I'm getting their clothes from. Because they got all the sets. The rumpers. These are some Stitch pajamas, I think. My sister said 4T. Let's see. Yeah. 4T, y'all. I'm getting 4T. So let's see what she's gonna come up with when I bring it. The strawberry outfit is cute. And it comes with a little strawberry purse. See, this is what I'm talking about. So now we're finna go to girls for my niece. Oh, well, my other niece. I'm talking about my niece. For my other niece. She wears a size 14, 16. She like workout clothes. This Adidas dress. That would be cute. So that's what I'm probably finna get her. I came and got everything that I needed to get for the whole entire month of birthdays and graduations and everything.
Actual total is 148.2%. Are you allergic to me?
No, I'm not.
Put a card account.
Card. Okay. Thank you. Alright, y'all, I made it to my sister's house. I went to the Beach Spot store, y'all. I did not record in there because my camera had died. Came home and dipped it. So now it's curls at the end. As you can see, it's just tea. I didn't do my edges, obviously, but the parts is nice and neat. Good morning, y'all. It's May 9th now. And honey, I am waking up. I am just waking up like an hour ago. It's like 9:30. I'm about to get to brushing my teeth and stuff so that I can go to City Trends and another store. City Trends, we finna look for some scrubs for my new job that I told y'all about. So yeah, the vlog continues. I'm currently in a car. Look at my edges. And I'm on the way to Walgreens real quick, and then I'm gonna go to City Trends, and I'm probably gonna go get my eyebrows done because I just feel like I want my eyebrows done. So that's what I'm probably gonna do, even though I shouldn't really do that right now. I'm about to get them done at the end of the month, but it's just like, girl, get the eyebrows done if that's what you want to do, period. My skin looks so terrible. Something's really going on. But yeah, I'm currently driving, and I already told y'all it's Saturday. It's finna be 10 o'clock. It's 9:55. I did not put my nose ring in, but it's not that big of a deal. Actually, it's not Walgreens. I'm going to CVS. I keep mistaking the two for some reason. Alright, we have made it to Citi Trends, y'all. I hope they got what I want. Or should I say what I need? Because if not, I'm going to be irritated. Y'all, why wouldn't they have... Why everything always extra large in this one? The little skirt top. That's my size. But there's no bottoms for it. These are all the bottoms over here. That's annoying. So it's giving I wasted my time. Can you? Okay, let's call my sister. Hello. Hey, so okay, if we go, can you bring the tennis rackets?
The what?
The tennis rackets, because I left them.
If I can find them quickly, yeah.
Okay, and around what time you think you'll be leaving?
So in order to be there by 12.
Wow.
Okay. Attitude, baby. Let me see how far this place is from me. Cause it's like a place that air spray brush, whatever, y'all know what I mean. Like this type of stuff. Yeah. Let's see how far it is from where I'm at right now. 36 minutes. So that means y'all, from my house, bro, 42 minutes from my house. So I did a thing and I ended up coming to Chick-fil-A. It's currently 11:06. Been wasting my time all day. Like, that makes me so mad. And also, I want to just go ahead and say that I have to meet my sister. And I have to get home, get the stuff that I need, and then I'm going to go meet her. And then when I get back home, I'm going to take a shower and, like, get ready for the rest of my day for real. Because I want to do something with my boyfriend. But it's raining, so it's not really giving the vibe we wanted it to give. Like I said, we were supposed to go play tennis and have a picnic, but it's raining. And it said it was going to rain, but it said it was going to rain early and that later it wouldn't be raining. Like, it don't even say it's raining right now, but it's literally raining. So that's annoying, but I don't know. I'm just going to wait till I talk to him on his break so I can talk to him about it and then see what we're going to do and go from there. But that's how my life is looking right now. I'm very irritated about that. Okay, yeah, so we getting the stuff air spray and look. This is Kennedy's shirt. And he's currently making lunch for it. Okay, yeah, pretty much they're all done. That's Brittany over there. This mine is Cindy. Wow. And we only been here for like less than an hour. We ain't even been here for a long time. And it was $35 a piece, but the shirt was not included. And that's just that on there. So the shirts are tea, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait until Freak meets. Like, for real, it's gonna be so cute. But anyways, it's 1:30 and I'm ready to go. So I'm about to leave in like 20 minutes so I can be home with my man. It's currently 5:16. I'm taking 10 years to get ready, and me and my boyfriend about to go to the gun range. All this time I've been asleep. I came home, took a nap because I was just so depressed. So I took a nap. I'm about to do my edges though. I already got on a little outfit that I already don't like, but you already know how that go.
That's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you, but baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't tell you that I was a savage. Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never said you could have it. You
This is my outfit for the gun range. Some joggers with this Ed Hardy jacket and some Asics. Simple, chill, and that's all to it. And this is how my hair look. And bow. For some reason, it's pretty dark, but for some reason, my tripod not working, y'all. It's making me so mad. Like, it's not letting me turn my camera on through the tripod. That's annoying. But whatever. I look like a little boy. With my yellow purse on still because I never cared. Okay. We have made it. We finna walk in there. I'm kind of nervous because I haven't been to Orange in a little bit, but whatever. Doesn't matter.
Okay, if you want to text me,
Thank you. Look at the scenery, y'all. Yeah, my edge is not that bad, but they're kind of bad. Whatever, though. See, they got me filling out this waiver form, and I was an adult because I don't think I'm a minor. Okay, I might be a little slow, but and then when I was in line, I had to go back to the car to go get a battery, and I came back, and then I got in line with my boyfriend, and then these people in the back of me, these white people, excuse me, actually we was in line. Baby, don't you think I know that I'm in line with the person I'm with? That blew me so bad. Whatever. But currently, they got me putting my birthday and all that stuff.
Yeah, there's going to be a video down by that.
Okay. Okay, now I have to watch this safety video.
Seriously, as we do in the firearm industry. And when you're on the range, remember, firearm safety depends on
It's okay.
you.
Like, why would that man play with me as
Stop
if,
playing, boy.
like, you see I'm right here with this boy and with this man, and y'all gonna say, hey, excuse me, it was actually right here. We're actually already in line. No shit, Sherlock. We are suited up. I'm scared. Look at my pink. Pretty and pink. All stomach and gunshots. Don't learn all that. It ain't as bad as it could be. It ain't as bad as it could be, baby. I put my phone up. So I'm gonna make him send me pictures because I'm not gonna keep grabbing that phone, putting it back, grabbing it, putting it back, grabbing it, putting it back. I'm not gonna keep doing that.
I missed the bottom two. I got the forward. 1, 2.
He let me shoot 2 full clips. Period.
That's it. Y'all, she missed 2 of them.
I missed all of it.
She missed all of them but 1.
That was
Then look at her. She did.
I didn't do that bad first time. I mean, I didn't do that bad the other time.
She got it.
Wow. That's a
Game over.
He said the game over. I don't believe it. Let's see what he do. gonna bring it up. Can I? Y'all, he literally just got. He just got 28 to 7.
Yeah, that's just.
How did he even do that?
You gonna go all the way?
Sure.
You go max.
I mean, that's good for you, not for me.
Yeah, you can do it too.
Okay, he missed.
Damn.
He hit 2.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
That's from 15. That's far as fuck.
Yeah, I can't do 15.
Maybe you can hit it all on it.
Not that far.
That's far as fuck.
Yeah. Maybe about. I was finna put 5, but okay.
Alright, so I'm a better shooter and I'm a better bowler than you now.
Bro, you're not a better bowler.
Bro, are you going after this? Matter of fact, you wanna show them that too?
Whatever, bro.
You wanna go to Sutherland for that shit?
Huh?
I said you wanna go to Sutherland for that?
We can if you want to.
Look up who got Infinity Games. Like, what is the deal on it?
Not right now.
That turn is making
my head. Range. I'm done recording because Alright, y'all. We just came to Uniform Advantage so I get some scrubs. They're finna close in 30 minutes, but luckily we're here 30 minutes early. Hi. No. I need royal blue scrubs. Watch how expensive they are.
Damn. What are you gonna buy? 2? Huh?
Let me show y'all the scenery of this store.
Which kind do you want? These on go. You don't have to get the whole set type shit. Oh, there is some more. Right here.
Let me show these. Ooh, I like these. Ooh, I like these the most.
Oh, those on go.
Yeah, these.
You want that instead of this? But why is that? I don't like that.
I don't like that either. Break. Let me show you. Okay. Let me look into. Alright, I really don't really like to record while I'm holding stuff. See, this not my size. I can't. Look at this.
That's big as shit.
Like that, and that's a small. That's why I wanted to get that extra small over there. But the pants over there are not cute. Go.
You really just need some starter shit.
So maybe I should just get those ones. These hurt me. These ones. They're not even that bad.
It's not. You can get both of them though. It really don't matter. You know what I'm saying? If you they're the same, if they're both as long as they're royal blue.
Okay, I'll try them. I'll try them on though.
Both of these.
I could just walk into a dressing room. Okay, thank you. They say get one, buy one, get one 50% off. Oh, there's some right here too. Oh, those are men's skirts. Okay, let me move.
What shoes you want?
I want some of these. I'm serious. Why did he laugh when I showed him this? This is what I want. They're comfortable nursing shoes. Alright. Excuse Excuse me. Alright. I'll just edit it out. I'm gonna get changed on here, but I'm gonna edit it out. Okay. So first we have these size small. They like noise cancellation, ain't it? What are you doing? Okay, whatever. You missed it, by the way. I was like this. Okay. And then
No, you need to get
huh?
You need a bigger size.
Bigger size than what?
Cause like it's too much to be walking around.
No, it ain't.
Like, look.
This is cute. Okay, I like these. Period. This is so tea.
It is.
Okay, so this is
You
what
belong in the nursing field. Like, look at you.
perfect.
Don't be no like.
Okay, yeah. So these are two biscuits. I'm about to go get them. I'll be back when I'm at the register. Okay, everything's shot out. Everything's perfect. Now we're about to go buy everything. I'll get black beans. Yeah, can I get the Chipotle honey chicken? The Chipotle honey chicken. Can I get more chicken?
That's a lot.
Okay. Can I also get corn, pico de gallo, and also cheese, lettuce, and then can I get a cup of the red sauce? Is that it on the bowl? Yeah.
Here's my glass up. Yeah, my mom. Do y'all have some more of the chicken?
Allison, do you want chicken? Huh? Yeah.
This is ZV one day. I said Z1.
So yeah, 600.
How much for it? Man, speak up. Cause he came to you.
Corn, pico, sour cream and cheese.
I get that too, but I get it on the side.
You
said cheese?
Cheese, and then some lettuce.
Together.
Oh, you want to use your card?
Oh, I'm done. Okay, you pay for scrub. That's what you were trying to do. Oh, okay. Type.
Yeah. Can I get chips?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Are you sure?
Not sure.
Total 2280.
How do you know that?
Oh, go ahead. It wasn't working on purpose. It didn't work. Go ahead. Go. It wasn't working. That was a sign.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Have a good night.
Well,
Riverside,
haven't
yeah,
eaten
Parkway.
yet in
Still.
Walmart. Trying to
that's
get
from
some
Rose
SD
Street,
cards. That's what I'm saying. We could have went.
All the flowers that bloom in May.
Oh,
Happy Mother's Day.
Mama. Oh Lord, it's in Spanish.
Unless you want to go find we hit Publix by the house.
I'm not trying to keep going to store
Me
to
neither
store.
though. That's why I'm just like, this is it.
For real.
Looks like they don't have no other shit.
Mama Bear. Thanks for always looking out. Okay, she do look out for me. I'm talking about, okay, she do look out. I lost mine. You found them? Maybe they were over there.
Yep.
Why everything gotta be so complicated? When you get a chance, can you go back over there by the camera accessories? All right. Hey, which one are you gonna get? Okay, I'm gonna get this one down there. It's $25.
Yeah, 2 of those.
You sure you need that one? I thought you get the one with small.
Yeah, get the big one right here.
Okay, yeah, put
Or
one back
the
in.
other one there. You can put one of those back.
Get one of those and then one of the other
one.
ones.
One of both. Just one of these and one of those.
So should we ring this stuff up and then go into the front and ring up flowers? Can we ring up our stuff? It's just a little bit of stuff. Okay.
What else can do?
You gonna go right to your right? You gonna see the vinyl?
Who paying for this?
You?
Oh, what?
You know, take that.
Luckily, I brought my purse in, so. Look, I hate when you say stuff like that.
Y'all want a bag? Y'all want everything in the bucket?
Now you put everything in there.
Okay, bag secure out of Walmart. Got everything we need. Got Mother's Day gifts. We got everything. Oh, look. Period. Look at us. None of those are mine, by the way. But anyways, I should have my mama a pot. A pot.
We're gonna go get that, and then this is yours.
Okay. Look at me. Let me do. Okay.
That shit hard as fuck.
This is how I'm looking today.
Shit on.
With my big butt. But look at the sky. Okay, we finna go get my mama a pot of flowers. We're gonna go in through the outdoor section real quick. I got 4 minutes left on this SD card, y'all. For my mom, a flower pot. Cause like I said, she's in her planting era. Y'all, I'm so hungry. I can't wait to get to the house. We probably about 20 minutes out. Let me look. Those are $15.77. You think I'm gonna pay for these, but I'm not. Okay, y'all. So turns out it is currently 11:16, and we decided that we're gonna meet up with Brian and Desiree to go get ice cream from Jenny's. And oh, I was trying to show you. Look at this, y'all. He can record himself driving. Isn't that so cool? This is literally live action. Like, that is so cool to me. But anyways, I'll be back time when we get to the Jenny's because he wants to play some music. So yeah. Y'all didn't even know that I had my glasses on. Me and my man got our glasses on, but like I said, we meeting Desiree and Brian here, and we about to walk out so we could get to Jenny's. Y'all, it's 11:35. Like, these are not our hours. Me and my man be in the bed sleep. I don't know what we doing. Good. My back's starting to itch, y'all. Short. Yeah. I don't know if y'all can see it, but Jenny's is all the way over there.
Yeah, hey.
Look at her. She has panties on. And he's looking.
You know what they got on? That's the Renaissance shit. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm talking about?
No.
Look it up.
Okay, here goes my friends. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This is Brian and Desiree. Hi, guys. Okay, let's get ice cream. Last time I came here, I got banana cream pudding. The most nastiest flavor ever. It was so disgusting. No, banana cream pudding.
I don't know. I eat everything in Jenny's.
No, you won't eat that.
I get
You won't want that one.
Yeah, well,
Exactly. Like I was like, oh, I know what I'm getting. And he was trying samples, and I was like, oh, I know what I'm getting.
me and Denzel being here trying every single ice cream like it's our first time.
Yeah, banana cream pudding. I'm not getting that today. What you gonna get? The same one? Gooey butter cake. Gooey butter cake.
What did you get? What did you get when you came here?
Gooey butter cake.
You got gooey butter cake? Oh, that was fire.
I get the pint. I get the gooey butter cake pint.
Oh, I didn't even know they sold that. Oh yeah. Just put them in. I was gonna put them in her purse. Oh. Excuse me. Oh my God. Okay, got my phone. And he's gonna get his phone. Bow is getting made, and then they're trying. Desiree and Brian are trying. They're trying different flavors. I got him to get honey vanilla bean, and I got gooey butter cake. Goat cheese. I wonder how that tastes. Ice cream is secure.
What time is it?
Me and mommy. Finna be 12 o'clock. Perfect timing to do 1 game, 2 games. So these are my favorites. That's right, no she got a butt. Have y'all ever been to a baseball game?
Yes.
Yeah.
When?
My mom had like free tickets, so I took my sister and Brian.
Oh, that's why. I was wondering, like, when did I ever go? I think that was like, yeah, I think that was my first time.
What y'all finna do after this?
Okay, we had our ice cream. I should have bought a little bit more, but I didn't. Too bad though. This is where we park. Okay, say bye to my vlog, guys.
Yo.
And then Desiree, just Desiree. Bro, gosh. And guys, bye. Bye. Y'all gonna see us vlogging again, because next weekend we're gonna be in Six Flags and we're gonna go on a picnic.
I'll be safe.
Good morning. It's the next day, Sunday the 9th. And I meant to say Sunday the 10th. And we are at the gym. So it's time to put that pain in. And then after that, Mother's Day. Oh, well, church, you mean on Mother's Day. So yeah, we're about to go work out, and I'll be back with y'all after my workout. So like my workout, this is the workout fit though. Okay, we are ready for church. It's early, 11:10. So
Just counting it, not writing it off, not thinking it's too insignificant to even mention. But if you would give God what you have left, knowing that it's never about the amount, but it's about who you give it to. Because whether we want to admit it or not, all of us know what it feels like to be empty. Feel like we don't have enough, not enough answers, enough peace. We were all, in that moment, we didn't have enough righteousness to stand before a holy God. Spiritually, we've all been that widow with a debt we could never pay on our own. What did Jesus do? He took it to the cross. He paid our debt, and when he rose again, he provided life and life.
okay, church is over, as you can see, and we are walking to the car. I feel like the lighting is always so bad. I can't wait to eat, y'all. It seems like every morning when we go to the gym in church, we be fasting the whole morning. We be so hungry. But
Nothing wrong with that.
no, that's not bad. That's not, because I think I remember saying one of us saying something about fasting. And we do it every Sunday morning. Alright, y'all.
I got some more.
We are in my mama's car.
I got some more.
Headed to Blue Agave. And my
Where you
dad
going?
He got to get something. His phone ordered and forgot to record.
Brisket.
And then we want the
Queso? That's queso. Y'all have queso? No, don't the beans come with the, they're 2 meals, right? Yeah, so don't do beans. It comes with both of y'all meals already. But he gonna give you the queso, but the beans already come with y'all meals. So you don't have to order extra beans.
and then
Chicken tacos. And I got water because I'm classy as hell. I got beans, But no, I feel that like that's how I feel. Like some people be like, Josiah don't reach out, but y'all don't reach out to Josiah either.
I'm talking about another one. Really good the rest of the night, but I'm hungry now, though. I'm real hungry now. I'm trying not to lose weight. Them good, huh? What they cook?
Chicken tacos. These beans that have you on the toilet.
I don't think you can handle that. Them look tough.
Oh, I can handle them all right. Competing.
Look at this J is better than yours.
That looks like a hot pickle juice.
Look at
You need to do your actual signature. Let me see it. How much? I need all my coins, baby. I'm sorry.
Mine is way better.
thank you so much.
You gotta do Jay Morris, not Culture L.
I did the whole thing for you.
Mama, this looks like a kindergarten.
Crazy. That's cursing.
Let me see the pen. This is how my full name is.
Look how little that is. The J is under investigation.
Josiah, look, mama, mine look a little good.
Yeah, that's a C. That ain't even a J. That ain't even a J.
Josiah Morris. Yours look like Scribble Scrabble.
You got to
She said, what did she say to you? What did she say? What did she say though? Tamaja! Josiah! Hi vlog! Okay, thanks. What y'all doing?
I got it for you.
I'm like, what's the hold up? Y'all, I haven't seen Tamaja in so long, y'all. I was like, wait, is that who I think it is? Cause they too small. Way too small. I've been peeped that. Look at her with her 2 small shoes.
I'll be right back to see you, honey bun. Okay. We go fart for a quick second.
Girl, why are you saying stuff like that? Why the lady wanted her to get something. She said we'll be back after we eat, and then she was still out there waiting. And then she said, oh shit. When the lady was literally right there. Like, she don't have no remorse. Like, this lady crazy. Okay, y'all, the queen is now home. It's still Sunday and it's currently 8 o'clock. I have my pajamas on and I'm about to eat dinner and go to bed. So that's gonna be the end of this vlog. I will see y'all again real soon because I'm about to vlog again at the end of the week. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was a little bit of everywhere, but this was just a few days in my life. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys like and subscribe. And thank ya.